How to refurbish phone screen. 1. Screen separation. Preheat to 100 degrees for 3 minutes. Use alcohol to assist in separating the screen frame. Place the charging port facing upwards on the separation platform. Start the heating and vacuum suction functions. Use alcohol to assist in separating the screen frame. Place the separated screen on the separation machine platform. Insert ultra-thin steel sheet into the corner of the screen. For cutting and separation, use a roller to clean the OCA glue. OCA vacuum laminating. After cleaning, install a new cover plate. Put it into the OCA vacuum laminating machine. Press the button to complete the lamination. Three. Bubble removing. Then put it in the bubble remover for 1 minute. Four. UV lamp curing. After the bubble removal is completed, it needs to be placed in the UV curing machine for curing.